Good morning, friends. You might be new to me. You might seen me before in the department. Let me introduce myself. Dr. N.S. Pawar, Professor and Head Department of Botany, working since last 27 years in this college. Dear friends, first of all, I would like to congratulate all of you to get succeed in the second year BSc. Here also you have to choose 3 subjects except the 4 you have taken in the first year BSc. These are as usual the groups which you have taken at the first year. For example, B group, particularly chemistry, botany, zoology, one of the language, either Marathi or English. Here, friends, you have to take one of the skill subject as your wish, but I would like to suggest you that you choose the skill subject that of your interest and the subject which you are taking as a principal to the next year. For example, if you want to take a botany as a principal subject in the TYBSc, you have to choose skill subject of botany. If you want to take principal subject as a chemistry, then you have to choose skill subject of the chemistry. Similarly, if the microbiology students have to choose the skill subject of microbiology, and those who want to take zoology as a principal subject, they have to choose zoology, skill of zoology subject. Here you have to choose one of the language as usual you have taken in the first year, but here the language is compulsory for both the semesters. In the last year you have taken only one semester, and for the second semester there was an environmental subject, but at SY level you have to choose the language either English or Marathi for the both semesters. This is regarding general account. In the botany there are 4 courses if you have chosen botany as a skill one. At least there are 3 compulsory one. There are 3 papers, 2 are of theory and 1 practical based on the theory papers. The first paper is known as, or it has a title of plant anatomy, and the second paper is plant physiology. The third paper is practical paper based on both these theory papers, that is plant anatomy and plant physiology. The fourth paper is of skill subject, which is entitled as a mushroom cultivation technology, but this paper is restricted to those students who have taken as a botany as a skill subject. Therefore, for this year all these 3 subjects I will conduct. Today we will start with the paper first. There are 5 units. First unit is just introductory one, which there is a I will explain you on the online lecture. Today I will start with the second unit, that is the title is tissue. Here we are going to study what is the definition of tissue. Here we are going to study the types of tissues. We will know the structure and function of the tissue, and we also compare the types of plant tissues with each other. In general, plant tissue can be defined as the group of cells having same origin, structure and performing same function. For example, in plants, parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma, xylem, phloem, meristematic tissue are some of the tissues which are commonly found in the plants. Before going to proceed to further slide, I would like to know about from your side how many types of plant organs you know. You might know about the root of the plant. Root is underground part of the plant. It is located in the soil. Its structure is quite different than the aerial parts of the plant body. As it is different from aerial parts, it must be constituted from the different tissues. Similarly, the aerial parts such as stem, branches, leaves, flowers, fruits, all these structures are unique one. They are located differently